Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could completely change the way you experience intimacy. And I don't say that lightly. There's a simple, natural powder most men overlook. Yet when placed directly on your tongue about an hour before intimacy, something remarkable happens. Blood flow increases, your stamina rises, your sensitivity improves, and you perform with the kind of quiet confidence you haven't felt in years. This isn't a pharmaceutical, it's not a gimmick, and it's definitely not one of those so-called miracle blue pills. It's a science-backed, natural approach that works with your body, not against it. And the best part? You can feel the difference the very same night. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, a urologist and intimacy coach with over 12 years of experience helping men restore their vitality, performance, and connection, both in health and in relationships. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because every week we break down real men's health. No filters, no shame, just real science that helps you feel strong again. And I want you to drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments. It's inspiring to see men from around the world reclaiming their vitality together. Here's a little-known secret that separates the average supplement from a real performance enhancer. When you put certain natural compounds directly on your tongue, they absorb through the soft tissue and enter your bloodstream almost instantly. Think about it. That's the same pathway doctors use for nitroglycerin tablets for heart patients. It bypasses your stomach acid and your liver's filter, giving you a faster, cleaner effect. That means you're not waiting weeks to build up results. You can notice a difference in circulation and energy within an hour. I call this an on-demand performance strategy. It gives you control naturally whenever you need it. Let's start with one of my favorites, organic watermelon extract. Most people think watermelon is just a summer fruit, but few realize it's one of nature's richest sources of L-citrulline, a compound your body converts into nitric oxide, the very molecule that opens up blood vessels and drives circulation to the places you need it most. When you take it in concentrated extract form and allow it to dissolve on your tongue, it floods your bloodstream almost immediately. The result? Stronger, longer-lasting erections, better stamina, and improved energy throughout your day. Here's how to use it. Take 1 scoop of organic watermelon extract powder, let it rest on your tongue for about 15 seconds, then swallow with water, about 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy. It's completely natural, safe, and effective. One of my patients, Mark, age 63, came to me frustrated. He said, "Dr. Brooks, I'm healthy, I eat well, I exercise, but when it comes to intimacy, nothing works like it used to." I told him, try 1 scoop of organic watermelon extract under the tongue about 45 minutes before being with your wife. 2 weeks later, Mark came back smiling ear to ear. "Doc," he said, "my wife told me to thank you, and to tell you we had to change the bed sheets." We laughed, but then he said something powerful. It wasn't just the firmness, it was the confidence. That's what this is all about. When you can trust your body again, your mind relaxes. You stop overthinking and start enjoying. That's when connection, intimacy, and real presence return. Stick around, because in a moment, I'll share the performance stack I recommend to my private clients. It's a combination that targets circulation, hormones, and desire all at once. Next up, maca root, a natural powerhouse from the Peruvian Andes. For centuries, it's been called nature's Viagra, but that label doesn't do it justice. Maca doesn't just increase libido. It works on the brain's neurotransmitters that control desire, motivation, and mood. In simple terms, it helps you want again, physically and emotionally. Take 1 to 3 teaspoons on your tongue, or mix it into a small smoothie shot about an hour before intimacy. Different colors of maca do slightly different things. Black maca is best for men, especially for libido and stamina. Red maca is excellent for prostate health and recovery, and yellow maca is great for daily vitality and long-term energy. Men often tell me, "Doc, I didn't just feel more aroused, I felt more connected, more in tune." That's the hidden benefit. Intimacy is never just physical. It's emotional and psychological. When your brain chemistry supports desire, your relationships deepen too. Now, let's talk hormones, specifically testosterone. This is where Tongkat Ali, or Eurycoma longifolia, shines. It's one of the most researched botanicals for men's health, known to increase free testosterone and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that kills your drive. When cortisol is high, testosterone plummets. Tongkat Ali helps restore that balance, giving you more energy, motivation, and drive. Take 1 scoop of Tongkat Ali extract powder, or about 200–400 milliliters in capsule form, 60 minutes before intimacy or even before training. Some men feel a subtle energy lift that same day. Others notice major improvements after a week or 2 of consistent use. It's like turning the key in your ignition. Blood flow gives you the fuel, and testosterone gives you the horsepower to use it. A 58-year-old client of mine named Peter once said, "Doc, I thought low energy was just part of getting older. But after a week on Tongkat Ali, I felt that spark again. I didn't even realize how much I'd been missing until it came back." That's the moment every man deserves. When you realize your best days weren't behind you. They were just waiting for you to take charge again. Coming up next, I'll show you how to combine these ingredients safely into one powerful performance stack. Let's round out the formula with 2 underrated gems, pine pollen and horny goat weed. Pine pollen is fascinating because it contains trace natural androgens, plant-based compounds that mimic male hormones in a gentle, balanced way. Hold 1 to 2 teaspoons under your tongue for a minute, then swallow with water. It gives you that calm, focused energy that pairs beautifully with Tongkat Ali. Meanwhile, horny goat weed, yes, it's a real plant, contains ecariin, a natural compound that boosts nitric oxide and circulation in a way similar to prescription medications, but much softer on the body. Take half to 1 teaspoon 30–60 minutes before intimacy. It tastes a bit bitter, but its effect? Noticeably smoother arousal and stamina. Together, these 2 help fine-tune your balance. Pine pollen supports hormones. Horny goat weed enhances blood flow, so your mind, hormones, and body work in sync. So here's the performance stack I give to my private clients. 1 scoop organic watermelon extract for circulation, 1 teaspoon maca powder for desire and mood, 1 small dose Tongkat Ali for testosterone, and a pinch of pine pollen powder for balance and focus. Mix them together and take about 45 minutes before intimacy. You'll support every system that drives performance, blood flow, hormones, stamina, and confidence. Most men tell me, it wasn't just better performance, it felt like being in my 30s again. Now here's something I want every man watching to hear clearly. Supplements prepare your body, but confidence creates the experience. Your partner doesn't just want you harder, she wants you present. She wants to feel your confidence, your attention, your energy. That's why physical health and emotional connection go hand in hand. When you trust your body again, you relax. And when you relax, you connect. Before we close, I want to mention something I built for men just like you, the all-in-one Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint. It's my complete guide for men over 50 who want to rebuild energy, circulation, and confidence naturally. Inside, I share everything I use with my patients, from blood flow restoration and hormonal balance to stress reduction and rekindling real intimacy. It's like having me as your personal coach. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Check it out after this video. If you're ready to take back your energy and confidence, start small. Try one of these natural boosters tonight and feel the difference for yourself. And if you want to go deeper, combine all 4. Watermelon extract, maca root, Tongkat Ali, and ProstaVive for prostate comfort and balance. Together, they cover every layer of men's health: circulation, hormones, stamina, and recovery. All the trusted links are right below. Now tell me your age and where you're watching from in the comments. It may seem small, but it's powerful to see a global brotherhood of men improving their health and relationships together. Remember, you're not past your prime. You're entering a stage where experience meets strength. And when your body and confidence align, everything else in life follows. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks. Thank you for watching, for investing in your health, and for proving that aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means showing up stronger than ever. I'll see you in the next video.